Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you do not know how to manually do firmware to refresh it into the product, I'm going to show you how right over there. You're going to look for download. You're going to look for products. Scroll till you see Osmo series and scroll till you see Osmo Action and go to the bottom of the page and there is the firmware right here. Download it. When you're finished, anywhere on this screen, you're going to create a text document file. Right click, new, text document. You're going to name it Osmo underscore action underscore firmware underscore debug. What you're going to do is before you make this file, you're going to go to the very end. And if you make a mistake, don't worry. You could right click it again, rename it. You're going to take off .txt. And now you're going to right click or close it out. And it's going to ask you to change the name. You say yes. You take this text document along with the firmware and bring it to the camera. You do not put anything in this folder. That's it. You're done. I hope this helps you out making a refresh firmware.